Patterson, located in Stanislaus County, stands as a beacon of opportunity amidst the bustling landscape. While Modesto claims the administrative hub of the county and boasts access to Highway 99, Patterson's allure lies in its connection to Highway 5. Positioned as the first city on Highway 5 from Los Angeles County, Patterson has emerged as a pivotal logistical and distribution center for numerous national and international enterprises, including heavyweights like Amazon, Restoration Hardware, and CVS Pharmacy. Moreover, the strategic placement of travel centers by Pilot Flying J and Loves caters not only to the logistical needs of these companies but also offers respite to travelers journeying between Los Angeles and the San Francisco Bay Area. Just 75 miles away lies the Port of Oakland, a pivotal artery for the movement of containerized goods in Northern California. Patterson's proximity to this vital port eases the burden for truckers navigating through the congested San Francisco Bay Area traffic, providing a strategic location for scheduling pickups and deliveries. Additionally, Patterson's strategic location extends to its proximity to key railway hubs, such as the BNSF Railway Hud in Stockton and the Union Pacific Lathrop Intermodal Terminal in French Camp, both within easy reach, further enhancing its logistical significance. With recent large-scale annexations marking unprecedented growth, Patterson is on an upward trajectory. The Baldwin and Zacharias master plans, annexing substantial acreage and envisioning extensive residential and commercial development, promise to reshape the cityscape. With new commercial centers already in the pipeline to cater to blossoming demand, commercial developments like Sperry Commercial Park and Delta Marketplace capitalize on Patterson's strategic location, offering prime visibility and easy access for both residents and passing travelers. As Patterson gears up for further expansion, infrastructure improvements are underway, including upgrades to the Highway 5 and Sperry Road interchange, aimed at enhancing traffic flow and accommodating the prosperous development in the area. Moreover, Patterson's association with the Tellock Irrigation District ensures access to affordable electricity, an asset for businesses looking to establish roots in the flourishing Patterson business community and residents alike.